Hello my cuties, how are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing well. So guess what? Today I'm going to review the most hyped product of 2019. Yes guys, I have purchased this particular product on December and I have been using around 5 to 6 months. Yes, because it's June. So yeah. And guess what? Can you guess the product? And the name of that hyped product is the Mamaearth Tea Tree Mask. Mamaearth has upgraded the range of their hair mask, and a different variant is of the argan one. So if you want a review of that, I can do it for you guys. So let's talk about the packaging. The packaging is like this. It comes in a cardboard packaging like this, and it is a sturdy one, and it retails for 599 and get discounts in their original side about 5%. And I have purchased this from Nykaa. You can get I guess it is now on discount on the Nykaa sale. The packaging is like this of the product, and it is super travel friendly. You can see, you can take it anywhere, and you will get the ingredient list mentioned in both the box and the tub. In this box you can clearly see this has written the shelf life of the product and the quantity. The quantity is 200 ml. And guys, this is the cap of this box jar, and this is the product. You can see, please excuse my nails guys. And this product smells like lemon, and you can see the quantity is pretty much good. And this is my second tub, and you can see, and it looks delicious. So let me tell you about the product. You are thinking to purchase a good hair mask, so you should know all the points regarding the hair mask. So what the mask does is that it really soothes down the irritating, itchy, oily scalp and gives you a healthy, itchy free scalp. If you check the ingredient list, you will see there are a lot of ingredients present over here. The coconut oil present in this mask moisturizes the scalp, as we all know the goodness of the coconut oil. The argan oil present in the mask nourishes the hair, while the lemon oil and the tea tree oil makes sure that the oily scalp and the dandruff are at bay. Guys, we all know that the tea tree oil is an essential oil and it does wonders to the skin as well as the hair. So what it does, the tea tree oil present in this particular mask, it not only reduces the itchiness of the scalp, but it also clears the dandruff from the scalp and makes the scalp moisturized and non-oily. The tea tree oil has antibacterial and antifungal properties which help in reducing the itchiness of the scalp and reducing the dandruff from the scalp. The coconut oil nourishes the scalp, hence it ensures a nourished and healthy scalp. And the combination of the nourishing ingredients such as the rosemary oil and cedarwood oil increases the blood circulation and stimulates the hair follicles, ensuring nourished healthy hair, and it reduces the hair fall. The natural ingredients present in the hair mask ensure that the dandruff and the excess oil is gently worked on and removed. And guys, it does not contain any harsh chemicals, and thus it will not leave the hair dry after the wash. And guys, I think you should know that Mamaearth is a brand that is toxin free and dermatologically tested brand, and it is hypoallergic. The products are paraben free, they are free from the SLS and the mineral oil, sulfates, petroleum, artificial preservatives, colors and fragrances. And Mamaearth is Asia's first made-safe brand. And I have been noticing this for a while that I really sound different some of the videos. I don't know now how I am sounding, so comment that down below too, because it's essential. So now I will tell you how to use the product. At first you have to part your hair into two halves. Then I will suggest to sprinkle some water on your scalp so that your scalp becomes a little bit wet, and you have to apply the mask on the scalp and leave the mask for about 15 to 20 minutes and use a sulfate free shampoo. To be honest, when I purchased first and when I applied the product for the first time, I was like, it was totally wastage of money. But if you apply 2 to 3 times a month, then you will get the results. I won't suggest you to apply it for about 2 to 3 days in a week, but try to apply this product 2 to 3 times a month for better results. This hair mask suits all hair types, whatever your hair type be, it be like curly like me, dry scalp, oily scalp, treated color hair, anything. This treated hair mask will suit any, yes guys, any hair type. It's non-allergenic, so you won't be facing any allergic reaction after applying this mask. Yes, I know previously I have used a mask, okay, I won't say that name of the brand, but yeah, after applying it I really got out so many hyperpigmentations on my face, acne problems and whatnot. So let us sum up the pros and the cons of the product, guys. So number 1, it reduces the dandruff. Number 2, it reduces the itchiness from the scalp and it moisturizes the scalp. And the last point is, which is the most important point, that it suits any hair type, from being the colored, the treated, the oily, the dry or the curly hair. Can you believe that there are no cons of this product, and this is a thumbs up product for me. Guys, you don't have to worry, this is not a sponsored video also. I only suggest you those products that I use personally, and I have used this product. As I said, that you will get better results after applying about 2 to 3 times a month. So this particular eye look I have created. If you want to see this, you can go to my Instagram handle. I will be posting the link down in the description box. You can check that. I have created specially because this is June and this is the Pride month. Yes guys, and trust me guys, there are so many products that I have to review, and I'm still wondering that which one you guys would love to see. Guys, please go to my Instagram ID and follow me there. I always post new updates about my skincare routine and my makeup routine. So if you want to check that, you can go to description box and check the link of my Instagram. And this was pretty much for today's video, guys. I hope you have liked it and you have get the sufficient knowledge about this particular hair mask. Okay, so comment down below if you have used this. What are your experiences after applying this particular hair mask? So comment down below, and guys, stay tuned until I post another video, and for that you have to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Click that so you get notified each time I upload a new video. And thank you for watching.